Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
RoundUp Pro Concentrate is a non-selective post-emergent herbicide that can control a wide range of weeds and brush. This product contains the active ingredient glyphosate, a widely used chemical that will kill most plants it comes into contact with. RoundUp Pro behaves like a systemic herbicide, but with no soil activity. This means that the product will translocate from the foliage to the root system of an affected plant, killing it. Because RoundUp Pro has no residual soil activity, any product that drips into the soil will not affect plant roots, so it must come into contact with the plant's leaves. RoundUp Pro is not only a great product to use in residential areas, but it can also be used on commercial properties as well. While RoundUp Pro is great for getting rid of weeds fast, keep in mind that this product contains the active ingredient glyphosate, an ingredient that will kill nearly every plant it comes into contact with, such as desirable grasses, flowers, and ornamental plants. If you're looking for a product you can safely apply over your turf, try Top Shot. Top Shot is a selective, post-emergent herbicide labeled to kill a wide variety of grassy and broadleaf weeds found in warm season and cool season lawns. Because this product is a selective herbicide, it can be used to control weeds and lawns without harming the surrounding grass. Top Shot even comes in small, easy-to-use ampules for quick mixing and application. For a selective herbicide that can be used in larger acres of area, try Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit herbicide is a post-emergent herbicide that comes in a water-soluble granule form and delivers broad-spectrum control of annual and perennial broadleaf weeds and grasses. RoundUp Pro kills weeds fast, in a matter of days. However, it's often better to prevent weeds from sprouting rather than kill them. If you're looking for a product that can stop weeds from growing, check out Barricade. Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent Herbicide is a flexible, broad-spectrum herbicide that can be used on many different grass types. This product is a pre-emergent herbicide, so it prevents the germination of grassy broadleaf weeds from seed. Barricade comes in the form of a granular, so we recommend you apply it with a broadcast push spreader. Before using RoundUp Pro, we recommend you wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep children and pets away from treated areas until the product dries. RoundUp Pro can be used in residential and commercial areas and is labeled for use in a handheld or backpack sprayer among other options. To control annual weeds, you'll need to mix a 0.4% to 0.8% solution of product. That's 0.5 to 1 whole fluid ounce of product in about 1 gallon of water. For harder to control perennials, use a 1.6% solution of spray product. That's 2.1 fluid ounces of product in about 1 gallon of water. To mix, fill the sprayer halfway with water and add your measured amount of RoundUp Pro. Then fill the tank with the rest of the water up to the 1 gallon mark. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even solution. Pump the sprayer a few times to create a low pressure spray. Since this is a non-selective herbicide, it's recommended you use a marking dye like Vision Pro Max to help you keep track of where you have sprayed and prevent over-application. Because RoundUp must come into contact with plant leaves, it's also a good idea to use a surfactant with your mix to help the product stick to leaf surfaces. Because glyphosate will kill most plants it comes into contact with, take caution when applying. RoundUp Pro can be used to spot treat unwanted vegetation, but it's especially effective when killing weeds in the cracks of cement, killing weeds in shrub beds, or killing weeds along the edges of fences, paths, buildings, and sidewalks. RoundUp Pro can also be used on commercial properties or industrial sites. You can apply RoundUp Pro in areas like driveways, dry ditches, landscape areas, and railroads. Repeat applications may be necessary to maintain bare ground as more weeds pop up. Be sure to spray on a calm day to avoid wind drift, and spray weeds to the point of wet, making sure to coat the leaves. Do not exceed the labeled annual rate of 8.5 quarts of RoundUp Pro per acre per year. Remember that RoundUp Pro has no soil activity, so all treated plants must have emerged from the ground in order for the product to take effect. After treatment, it may take several days to see RoundUp take its effects. Annual weeds will start to wilt and yellow in 2 to 4 days, while perennial weeds can take more than 7 days to see results. Symptoms begin as wilting and yellowing, then will advance to browning and deterioration. Remember that RoundUp Pro has no residual effects. If weeds start to sprout in previously treated areas, then repeat applications will be necessary to maintain bare ground. Shop for RoundUp Pro on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each pest, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee you 100% to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.